Hello, in this video I will show you how to insert SIM card into Motorola Moto G86. So to insert SIM card into this device you have to start by opening your SIM tray, and then you can pull it out. And now you have to place your SIM card on your SIM tray. And now you have to place your SIM tray back into your device, like this. And your SIM card should now work. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.